Chicago, the Windy City, home to deep dish pizza and towering skyscrapers. But there's another star in Chicago's skyline. Have you heard of the Bean? It's more than just a shiny sculpture. It's a portal to the sky, a mirror to the soul, and it's hiding secrets. Let's uncover them together. Imagine a giant liquid drop, smooth, seamless, reflecting everything around it. That's Cloud Gate. It's made of stainless steel, polished to a mirror shine. Stand beneath it and you'll see the city upside down. Look closer and you'll see yourself reflected back. It's a dizzying, delightful experience. It's called Cloud Gate, but everyone knows it as the Bean. Why? Just look at it. Its curved shape resembles a giant bean. It's organic, playful, and unexpected, just like Chicago itself. This nickname stuck, becoming a term of endearment for this beloved sculpture. Building Cloud Gate was no easy feat. It's made of 168 massive stainless steel plates, welded together seamlessly. You won't find a single visible seam. How did they do it? It's a secret the engineers still hold close. But the result is breathtaking. A sculpture that looks like it was molded from a single drop of liquid metal. Section 5. Anish Kapoor's Vision, inspired by liquid mercury and dreams. Anish Kapoor, a visionary artist, has always been fascinated by the interplay of light, reflection, and form. His works often challenge our perceptions and invite us to see the world in new and unexpected ways. The mastermind behind Cloud Gate is artist Anish Kapoor. Born in Mumbai and based in London, Kapoor has made a name for himself with his innovative and thought-provoking sculptures. His works are celebrated worldwide for their ability to transform spaces and engage viewers on a deeply emotional level. He wanted to create a sculpture that would reflect the sky and the city. Cloud Gate, affectionately known as the Bean, is a perfect example of this vision. Standing 33 feet tall and 66 feet wide, its seamless, mirror-like surface captures the ever-changing environment around it, creating a dynamic interaction between the artwork and its surroundings. He was inspired by liquid mercury with its fluid, reflective qualities. Liquid mercury, with its ability to flow and change shape while maintaining a reflective surface, served as the perfect muse for Kapoor. He sought to capture this essence in a large-scale public sculpture, one that would mesmerize and captivate all who encountered it. The result is a work of art that is both monumental and intimate, playful and profound. Cloud Gate invites visitors to engage with it, to see themselves and the world around them in its reflective surface. It stands as a testament to Kapoor's ability to blend art and environment, creating a space where people can connect, reflect, and dream. The sculpture's ability to change with the light and weather conditions means that no two visits are ever the same, making it a living, breathing piece of art that continues to inspire and delight. Section 6. From Concept to Creation, a journey of challenges and triumphs. Transporting and assembling Cloud Gate was a monumental task. The steel plates were fabricated in different parts of the world. They were then shipped to Chicago and assembled on site. It was like putting together a giant jigsaw puzzle, except the pieces weighed tons. Section 7. Reflections of Ourselves, Finding Meaning in the Polished Surface. Cloud Gate is more than just a pretty sculpture. It's a mirror to our own souls. As we gaze at our distorted reflections, we're forced to confront our own perspectives. We see ourselves in a new light, surrounded by the beauty of the city and the sky. Section 8. The Bean's Embrace, a symbol of unity and civic pride. Cloud Gate has become a symbol of Chicago. It's a place where locals and tourists gather to marvel at its beauty. It's a reminder that art has the power to bring people together. And it's a testament to the city's commitment to creativity and innovation. Section 9. Secrets Whispered in Steel, Unveiling the Bean's Hidden Tales. Here's a secret. Cloud Gate wasn't universally loved at first. When it was first unveiled, the reactions were mixed, to say the least. Some people were puzzled by its abstract form, while others were concerned about the cost of such an ambitious project. The initial skepticism was palpable. Some people thought it was too abstract, too expensive. Critics questioned the practicality and the purpose of this massive, reflective sculpture. They wondered if it was worth the investment, both financially and culturally. The media was abuzz with debates and discussions, and the public was divided. But over time, it won everyone over. As days turned into weeks and weeks into months, the initial skepticism began to fade. People started to see the beauty in its simplicity, the elegance in its curves. The reflective surface, which once seemed like a mere novelty, became a canvas for the city itself, capturing the ever-changing skyline and the vibrant life of Chicago. Its playful shape and reflective surface proved irresistible. Families came to see their reflections, children played with the distorted images, and tourists from around the world flocked to take photos. It became a place of joy and wonder, a spot where people could connect with art in a personal and interactive way. It became a beloved icon, a testament to the power of art to transform public spaces. Cloudgate, affectionately known as the Bean, transcended its initial controversy to become a symbol of Chicago's innovative spirit and cultural richness. It stands as a reminder that art has the power to challenge perceptions, evoke emotions, and ultimately bring people together. The Bean's journey from skepticism to adoration is a story of how art can shape and reflect the soul of a city. Section 10. Look up, be inspired. The Bean's message of hope and reflection. Next time you're in Chicago, visit Cloudgate. This iconic sculpture, also known as the Bean, is more than just a piece of art. It's a symbol of unity, reflection, and inspiration. As you approach it, you'll notice its unique shape and the way it captures the essence of the city around it. Look up at its mirrored surface. Notice how it distorts and transforms the skyline, creating a new perspective with every step you take. It's a reminder that our views and perceptions can change, and that there's always a new way to see the world. See the city reflected back at you. See yourself. In this moment, you become part of the art, part of the city. Your reflection mingles with those of strangers, blending together to create a tapestry of human experience. It's a powerful reminder of our interconnectedness. Let it inspire you to reflect on your own life, your own dreams. Think about where you are and where you want to be. The Bean's surface, ever-changing and fluid, mirrors the journey of our lives. It encourages us to embrace change and to see beauty in the unexpected. And remember, just like Cloudgate, we all have the potential to reflect beauty and positivity into the world. Each of us has a unique light to shine, a story to tell. By embracing our own reflections and those of others, we can create a more compassionate and understanding world. So, next time you find yourself in the presence of the Bean, take a moment to look up, be inspired, and reflect on the beauty within and around you. So, now that you know the hidden secrets behind Cloudgate, we want to hear from you. Have you visited the Bean before? Share your favorite photo or memory in the comments below. And if you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more insider tips on iconic places around the world. Just like Cloudgate reflects the city around it, remember to reflect positivity wherever you go. Life is all about the moments we share. See you in the next video.